Ramayana is one of the greatest epics among the two major Sanskrit works of ancient India. The epic like Ramayana is called Adikavya and it is traditionally ascribed to the sage Valmiki. The Ramayana narrates the life of Sri Rama, who is the legendary prince of Kosala kingdom. Sri Rama adopted his 14 years exile to the forest by the order of his father, King Dasharatha. Sri Rama killed Ravana and rescued Sita. The Ramayana is one of the largest epics in the history of world literature. There are 24,000 slokas in this epic and it is divided into 7 kandas. So the Ramayana is called Chaturvimsati Sahasri Samhita. Sri Rama is the crown jewel of the Raghu dynasty. He is the supreme Brahma and incarnated himself for keeping dharma and rescue the masses, which is the only intention of his birth. He was a sea of noble qualities and he possessed qualities like honesty, softness, kindness, compassion, modesty, desirelessness, love, delicacy, simplicity, faithfulness to Brahmins, affection for brothers, controlling the wicked, etc. In the Ajodhya Kanda of Valmiki Ramayana, described his merits vividly. Sri Rama does not get sleep without his younger brother Lakshmana. Sri Rama, who is the best among the men, does not get sleep without his brother Lakshmana. And also he did not get any food to eat, however delicious food may be, without Lakshmana. Nacha tena vina nidram lavate purushottamah mrushtam annam upanitasnati nahi tam vina. Sri Rama was always ready to save the cow, Brahmana, and he worked for the development of the province. So he says, Go Brahmana hitarthaya desasyasya hitaya cha tava chaiva prameyasya vasanam kartumudyatah. Sri Rama defeated to Parshurama. Sri Rama was a great hero. He defeated Parshurama and his heroic deeds proves it. At that time, the sage Parshurama praised Sri Rama and said to him that, O Rama, you are matchless of heaven. And further, the sage told him, I realized that your touch of nature is not mutable. You are the gods of gods and the exterminator of the devil Madhu, O Parantapa, enemy inflamer. Blessedness betides you. Ramayana says, Akhe Madhuhantaram Janami Tam Sureswaram Dhanusasya Paramarsa Swastiti Astu Parantapa. Sri Rama is a real lover and a real husband. Sri Rama was a real lover and affectionate husband. He has felt great sorrow due to the absence of his wife Janakanandini Sita. Sri Rama expresses his hearty affection in the place of seeing the ornaments of his wife. The description of Valmiki Ramayana is as follows. Jathiva धेनुः स्रवति स्नेहात् वश्चस्य वश्चला तथा मम अपि हृदयं मणिरत्नस्य दर्शनात्. Sri Rama says, my heart is now melted through the seeing of this magnificent jewel like a cow who is very affectionate towards her offspring and gushes forth milk due to her love towards her calf. Further, in another place, his loveliness has seen, and Sri Rama said to her younger brother, Lakshmana, that, O gentle one, I cannot survive, even for a moment without Sita, and who is black-eyed, and if she lives for a month without me, means she is living for a long time. The Ramayana says, Chiram jivati vaidehi, jadi masam dharisati, क्षणम सौम्यम न जीवेयम ताम असिति क्षणा. Sri Rama says to Hanuman, "O Hanuman, tell me now about my Sita, and by your information, I will surely survive as a sick person lives with the help of medicine." The description of Raman is like this: किम आह सीता हनुमत हनुमन तत्वतः कथयस्व मे एतेन खड़ुजीविष्ये भेषजेन आतुरो जथा. Sri Rama is the best one with a bow in hand, means Dhanurdhara. Sri Rama is a great hero. At the time of Setubandha to Lanka, Sri Rama said harsh words to the ocean. "O ocean, I will make you dry along with your region like Patala. अथोवाच रघुश्रेष्ठ सागरम दारुणम वचः अद्य त्वाम शोषयिष्यामि स पातालम महार्णव." And further Sri Ram says in another place to the ocean that my arrow should not go in vain. It will reach its destination. So in which direction it will be descended? तम अब्रवीतदा रामः शृणु मे वरुणालय अमोघा अयं महाबाणः कस्मिन् देशे निपात्यताम्. Sri Ram was a source of joy for his father, and he is like a Brahma among all the living beings, and he is also the most virtuous person among all his brothers. The Ramayana says, "Tesam api mahateja Ramaratikaraha pituh swayambhuriva bhutanam babhuva gunavattaraha." Sri Ram was a hero of valor and also a very beautiful person. He was like Dasaratha by his virtues and an incomparable son on this earth. And he is a man without envy. Sahi Rupaparnascha Virjavan Anasuyakah Bhumau Anupama Sunu Hu Guni Dasaratha Pamaha. Sri Rama did not remember the number of bad things due to his good bent of mind, but he feels very glad even one good deed is done towards him. Kathamchit upakarena krute naike natushyati na smarati apakaranam satamapi atmavataya. Sri Rama has always possessed a calm and serene mind and speaks gently to others and never told harsh words in his reply to others. The description of Valmiki Ramayana is very beautiful like this. Sa tu nitya prasantatma mrudu purvam cha bhasate uchamanopi parusham notaram pratipadyate. From the above discussion, it is concluded that Sri Rama is Purushottama, and there is no one in this world which is equal to him. Purusheshu uttamaha Purushottamaha. The common man cannot look the same as his qualities. He possesses extraordinary qualities, and he is the real hero of the Ramayana. There is no such character in Ramayana like him. Rama Katha is like nectar in this Kali Yuga. The Ramayana will exist till the end of this creation. So it says, Javat stasyanti girayah saritascha mahitale ramya ramayani katha lokeshu prasarishyati. Balakanda, Valmiki Ramayana Balakanda, Sarga 2, Sloka 36. Thanks to all.